Jamaica, watch this.
I'm going to be one of the household names in Jamaica. I'm not be cocky because I struggle. I'm going to be one of the Bob Marley, the Usain Bolt, the Simone Clark, the Patrick Curly Locks Gainer, the Paul Two Locks Gainer. People are going to know Tariq Barrett.
They already do, though.
Worldwide.
Wow. Purpose?
Because nobody don't know what it means. If you have nothing to come from nothing. And Ghana, Vietnam can represent Jamaica on the other side of the world. You know what that means?
You came back with the Mr. World Caribbean title. Great time in your life, and then Tariq, you come home.
Yeah.
And when you come home,
yeah.
You come home with a great experience.
Come on with experience.
And what else?
With expectations, more pressure, and nothing, Simon. People think me rich. This title, I'm gonna Vietnam, I'm gonna win big title. I'm rich now. Life set for him. But that wasn't the case. Came on with nothing. Came on to see bills. Bills piled up. But
no job.
No job at the same time. But me I say, alright, I still need to do something. I have the title, I need to do something with the title. People need to know me. Same way. Right, I say, alright, I have the bike, he never did a workout for me, I go join a delivery company and try see if them can accommodate me with the time and everything. Because I want to create something, I want to create a brand for Tariq Barrett, I want to use the title for do something. So I joined Doorstep and thing. Did some delivery for about a month. Mr. World Jamaica do delivery. I bring your food to you. Imagine that. This is the chair I'm sitting down in. Because we know, say, it would lead to something like this. And a whole heap more grades to come.